So today we're going to unbox Duelist Pack Legacy of the Duelist 2, then the Legacy of the Duelist 4. But first, we will try to unbox Legacy of the Duelist 2. Okay, so this is an OCG from Korea. So it has 30 packs. So each pack contains 5 cards. So without further ado, let's start. So don't forget to subscribe for more Yu-Gi-Oh unboxing videos. Thanks. So I'm not familiar with the cards, so I'm having a hard time naming these cards. Ancient Gear, Pound. Okay, Pajama card. Okay, Amuth. Okay, so we have a super rare, Millennium Eyes Restrict. Okay, so we got, it is an ultra rare. So this one. Duelist, Pajama Tactics. I forgot the name. Another Pajama card, a rare. Okay, we got a super rare. I think this is Desperado Barrel Dragon. Got one ultra rare and one super rare. Panzer Dragon. Okay, we got rare Ancient Gear. Unit removal, Armed Dragon level 7, VWXYZ Dragon Head Cannon, NC Queen, okay, Gym Beast Rainbow, Dragon. Fusion, Ancient Gear Golem, Gym Beast card, Insect Hopper, Aggressive. Okay, we got a rare, this one. So I think each box have a secured 2 ultra rares and 5 super rares and a chance of a secret rare. Okay, that's an Ice Restrict rare card. Okay, we got the Ancient Gear Fusion. This is a super rare. So far we have 2 super rares. Okay, we got another ultra rare Rainbow Dragon. Nabot nga day? Nabot? Must be one of Kit Bandit's signature field card. So far we have 2 super rares and 2 ultra rares. Change gear. We'll speed up in the opening of cards. Okay, you get another super rare. Jindy's card. So we have 2 ultra rares and 3 super rares. So as expected, we can still get basically 2 more super rares and a chance of 1 secret. Okay. Now we have our 3rd ultra rare. This card is good. Okay, another Pegasus card. We got our 4th super rare. I think it's just one of the Jindy's cards. Okay, so last 8 packs. Okay, we got our 4th super rare. It's a fusion. Fusion for relinquish. 5th. So far we have 5 super rares and 3 ultra rares. So usually I only get 2 ultra rares, but this time I got 3. Oh, these ones are 4th ultra rare. Wow. God, this one's cool. We have a 4th, 6th super rare. So far this box is awesome because we got 4 ultra rares and 6 super rares. Really nice. Okay, for the last pack, maybe we can get extra secret rare, hopefully. Okay, so far so good. We got 4 ultra rares, and we have 6 super rares. Okay, that's all for unboxing of Legacy of the Duelist 2. So thank you for watching, and another video we will do the unboxing of Legacy of the Duelist 4. Okay, so have a nice day.